Hi there, I'm Lisa, this is Ted, my husband, and along with Hans, Air Alsatian, and Bessie, who thinks she's a kangaroo, we are Chateau de Montmagny. March 2020, when COVID spanned the globe and the world began to lock down, we decided to turn our lives upside down and begin the adventure of a lifetime. We threw in our jobs, packed up the car and purchased this 14th century historical monument.
You have arrived.
Woohoo!
We have arrived.
With no previous experience and just £80,000 budget and a tent as our temporary residence, we plan to transform this abandoned, unloved historical monument into a family home and thriving business. We have so many new skills to learn along the way, but we invite you to come along for the ride. So strap yourselves in and let the fun begin.
Welcome to a new week at Chateau de Montmagny. This week we have a very, very busy week. So you are going to get a lot of bubble this week. We're going to do dailies. A day in the life of Lisa and Ted. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and the weekend. Because we've just got so much going on, we can't fit it into one video. So we thought we'd give you a day in the life of. Starting with Monday. We have loads of guests turning up, we have changeovers to do, we have preparation to do, because we have a really, really exciting weekend ahead. It's European Heritage Weekend, which means that all historical monuments open to the public, which we are an historic monument. So we're going to be opening to the public. We're going to have an artisan fair on the parkland, we're going to have a barbecue going on, afternoon tea, we're going to have guided tours, demonstrations. It's going to be wonderful. But we've got a lot of preparation to do for it. So here you go, starting with Monday.
Welcome, dear friends, to the show that never ends. Come inside, come inside. You are in apartment 1. Don't pan. Do not pan the camera. Because it is a bit of a messed up piece. It's a bit of a mess. This is where we've been living for months. I can't even remember when we moved in. I can't remember. I couldn't. I'm racking my brains.
To be honest with you,
racking my brains to know when we've moved in. However, we have got a deadline. We always like a deadline over here, and we've got a deadline because this apartment has been rented out, and there were certain elements that we didn't get around to doing because we just wanted to move in and all this sort of thing. So I've made a list, which. I've made a list.
You've made a list?
I made a list.
Wow.
I tell you what, I think it was one day when we had guests and you were cooking for them and I came in here to do a bit of tidying up. That was a long time ago. And I sat there and made a list instead of tidying up. But I made a list of mostly the jobs for me to do because Lisa is so up against it. Yeah, so cleaning and tidying is not our forte. However, when we've had guests, they do comment on how lovely and clean and tidy the rooms are. Because that's, you know, we're in that business, so we're going to do that. But when it comes to me and Lisa, not the greatest.
Well, the problem is as well, is that, you know, when you're busy, that we just keep shoving stuff in here, don't we?
Yeah.
Because it's a room
that's the thing, you know,
public don't go into. You just shove stuff in
it. What I have found, and I did I sort of cleaned out the wardrobe, would you believe? Look at this, look. There is nothing in the wardrobe apart from my wedding shoes.
Your shoes.
Which I might put in the bread oven.
Yeah. What?
Don't be so eager.
Oh, sorry.
Very, very nice shoes. I'll never wear them again, probably. But
no, but we should put one of our own shoes in the bread oven, shouldn't we?
There's my list. There's my list. One item crossed off so far.
Well done, baby.
Yeah, and there should be. Well, I can't finish off the skirting underneath there because of the bureau. The bureau's got to come out. That's a major job. Might enlist dear Mr. Harris to help us with that.
Yeah.
If he's around. I know he's got a lot on his plate. So this I'll be pleased to get done today. I think that'll be nice.
Yeah, because that's just another finishing off bit.
All it is. I found some old floorboards. They're not oak, but they'll be lovely. I've even worm treated them and you know, fill them and stuff like that.
Are you going to burn them or are you going to stain them?
No, I'm just going to really just wenge them, you know, because
Yeah.
I did this little bit of skirting board to the door here, and I just, you know, literally that's white wood, and I just stained it, and I think it's fine.
Yeah.
You know, it's absolutely fine. It was really, really difficult because it's super thin. It has to be super thin to go behind the door.
Yeah.
So that was a little challenge, but we've got that done. And to do that, then we'll finish that off today, and that'll be a good start. Because it's really then the cabinet in there, which I can do. That's not too bad to do the little cabinet in there. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, but I can actually, you know, because the other one I made for there, do you remember? That went upstairs into 3.
Yeah.
It's not.
So it might be an idea to get that one out 3 and you make one for 3.
Yeah, but it, you know, it's 6 of one and a half dozen the other, really, isn't it? You know, although that one does fit nicely in there.
Yeah.
And the one for 3, yeah, again, you know, I could make it so it's actually, because at the moment that one's not level because the floor goes like that.
Yeah.
In 3. Shelving unit in there, little step under these. These, you know, I'm not a great lover of these, and these, you know, they're all right, but they've broken and chipped, and they weren't fantastic. But I suppose we just have to kind of live with it for the moment.
Can you put a door on the fridge, or do you want me to put a curtain on the fridge?
I don't think it needs anything really. I think it's fine. You know, you know, we're not overcomplicated. It's not like it's, you know, as you walk in the room, it's not like seeing it. You can't see it. It's around the corner. Do we just overcomplicate things by putting, you know, a fridge? I want to put a shelf above it, so that you can put maybe little pans. We've got to bite the bullet and go and buy some bits and pieces, because the bits and pieces we had in here have now been utilised elsewhere.
Yeah.
Like the microwave and the, you know, all the little cooker and things. So they need to go. So,
okay, so we'll leave you cracking on.
Yeah.
And
I, you know, I want to finish up the fireplace, and I would like to have done the false step, but I haven't got any sand, so we're going to have to go out and get some sand. But apart from that, there's, I'll do that, and there's a little job in the bathroom I need to do that drives you mad every time you go to the bathroom. So we're going to do that, and then I might source some of the materials for a bit, and then go and have a little play with my guitar.
I'm glad you said with your guitar then.
What'd you say?
Okay, baby. I'm going to get back to admin. Oh, joy.
You love a bit of admin, don't you?
I love admin. I actually, you see it written all over my face.
Yeah.
Love
Admin
it.
City.
Just love it.
Yeah. I know, if anything you could farm out to anybody.
Oh, it'd be lovely. Admin.
Yeah. Anybody out there?
However, I have to say, Charlene has just been an absolute star of that social media. I know I keep saying it, but I can't believe she is on it, and it's just. It's gone
bonkers. It really has, you know. So, you know, it has our responsibility to put the content out for the YouTube. But that woman has been an absolute godsend.
A godsend. Give her a gold star.
So while Ted cracked on to do the fireplace around, I decided to give the admin a bit of a rest and clear out the bedroom.
Archery arrow. What is it doing on the bed? I don't know. Ted told me he'd eaten all of his birthday chocolates. That is not the case. I think he's been fibbing. However, obviously, if he thinks he's eaten them all, when I eat them, he won't even know. So we've got Stevie here to help us with the last part, which is getting the big bureau out of here. And this is blooming heavy. Anyone that remembers us buying the big writing bureau and getting it in here. It's a big old piece of furniture that we need to try and get out of here and get all the way over to the piggeries, because that's my writing bureau for my work. So yeah, the room's starting to come back together now. It's starting to get there.
The hottest day of the year to move this thing.
I know. Why is it so hot this week?
Really hot outside.
I shouldn't complain, because obviously I want it hot for the weekend. Well, I want it nice for the weekend. I need to get the banners up.
So, if you lean that forward and take that bit out almost. You got it, you got it. Right, you ain't gonna get it out until I put. Baby, can you do me a favour, please?
Get a bit of wood. Oh,
we're gonna get it up on this one.
Yeah.
Ready? Go.
No.
You alright?
He's against the wall, isn't it? Ready? You can come up. He's thinking, let me know I've done a day's work already.
I should have stayed in England with my mum.
Mom!
No wonder this flipping thing. No wonder this flipping thing is only €60. I'll tell you what.
It's 60 a ton, isn't it?
But that's the thing. All of it is, you know, it's not, the panels are probably that thick.
Yeah.
Which is, they're not normally, are they? Well, I suppose say they're that thick.
Aww. Stevie knackered. Whew. Do you want a drink?
Yeah, can I have a Coke?
What do you want? Coke?
Yeah, big glass.
Baby, do you want a drink?
I'll have one of them, yeah.
Coke?
Yeah, or a Fanta or something. It's on. It's on the trailer. Look, it's sorted.
Can you take it back off and get it back on again? Because I missed it. I didn't video
You've broken
it.
the bloody thing on there now.
Where?
On the front of the screen.
I haven't.
In the corner.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so it's on the trailer. You're not getting it back off so I can film
Look,
it now.
We nailed it.
You know.
Yeah. If you want it back off, take it back off.
You do it.
Yeah.
Right, okay, so let's take it over and then we'll have a look where we're going to put it.
Again from the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. That'll do it.
Oh.
Look.
Yay!
So now we know we like it there. Let's take it back over the Chateau so the police can film us putting it on the trailer.
Can I put it on the corner?
No.
Okay.
No, because you've got that weird concrete plinth under
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Is that what you're thinking?
Right, thanks for your help, Steve.
You're very welcome.
Again.
Yeah, very welcome. Next time you want to move something heavy, don't call me.
Cool Joe.
Yeah.
What have you been up to, baby? It's a bit, the light's a bit.
I've been
You're in the shade.
utilising my lovely birthday present.
Come on in, come and show me your birthday present, baby. So this birthday present I bought for Ted for as long as I can remember. Ted has been going on and on and on at me that he really needs a bandsaw. So for his birthday, I brought him one.
She's so lovely, my lovely wife. It's lovely. And I've done, this is my first attempt. So this here is, you know, because your bandsaw is like a jigsaw, it cuts out curves. And it's just really nice because they're straight, they're 90 degrees to the plane. So that's really nice, you can cut out chunks there. So what is this? What is this, everybody? This is a shelving bracket.
Cool.
I was going to make an altar table for apartment 1. However, it's more sensible to have it as a shelf, really. It's going to be a lovely big shelf. It's going to be that wide.
With a wainy edge.
With a wainy edge, yeah, like the table upstairs, but it's going to be fixed to the wall because of where we've positioned our heater underneath that table, underneath that potential table, and the plug socket. It just makes sense that this would be, you know, we're going to do some brackets on the side.
Nice.
Like that.
Yeah, it looks lovely.
Right.
Nice.
Yeah, but this is
Right,
fine.
so what else needs to be done in here, baby?
Well, I'll tell you what.
If you was about to sit on my gold sofa then.
I was about to. Finish off the skateboard, that's done. Recover window seat, that's done. Finish false door, threshold, stonework, not done. Seal up chimney and remove wood burner. That's never going to get done.
No, but you do need to seal up the chimney.
I can't do that. How can I going to do that in about an hour?
I don't mean do it in an hour, but you will.
Oh, I will
a lot of that
eventually.
we're not going to do in an hour.
Oh,
but
no, but I thought this is to get done for tomorrow.
yeah, but you're not going to be able to get the stonework
but
done,
that's-
are you?
No, but that bit, you know, so that's not done. Make good wall by right side of bed, done.
Wow, baby.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
That is really good.
So the window pelmets can be done.
I'll do that now. I'm just finishing the changeover
That's
upstairs.
it. Fantastic.
So not a bad day's work, really. Tune back in tomorrow to see how guests turn up, how the apartment finishes up, and why you should always be prepared for the unexpected.